Good morning. Today on the bench we have this Aiwa HS JX50. Overall condition is not bad actually. There are some scratches, but it is not a new device as all of the devices that I repair. What do we have right here? Amorphous HX head. This one is bi-azimuth head, as we can see. So the main thing that device said that do not respond to any buttons, whatever, just shows time and that's it. So let's open device and let's see what do we have inside. So be right back. Okay, so let's continue with JX50. And what I have done, I have removed capacitors, I have cleaned the board. Also have found out that few traces are corroded off completely. After the board cleaning, I think this guy should survive fine. So right now what we will do, we'll use some deoxit and then we will just put new capacitors in. So first of all, let's use some deoxit on these switches. Okay, let's prepare capacitors. Okay, so I have prepared all necessary capacitors, so now I will just solder those on. So let's do this. Okay, all caps are in. So right now just I'm gonna put those two long legs. Okay, so I think this is it with this part. This screw is nasty because there were huge corrosion due to electrolyte. So I think I'm gonna search one for replacement. So right now I'm gonna just put everything back together and try to test the device a bit. So till then, I'm also almost finished with assembly. Okay, so I'll be back after soldering this one. Okay, so I have already tested the device. Also set Dolby levels and checked the speed, also adjusted a bit, and everything regarding tape transport is also finished and fixed. So right now I'm just gonna assemble the device and we will test it. So okay, so the device is already assembled. Let's put in some cassette. and we will check it. Okay. Plays just perfectly fine. Fast forwards, also rewinds. Good, then let's check, maybe we'll find some station. Okay, just fine. So this is it. Thank you for watching. This is kind of very short video, but the result is, as always, good. So thanks for watching again. Please like, share and subscribe. Consider supporting my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.